Hello everyone, welcome back to Udu's Kitchen. Today we are making something special, delicious and easy. Let's make some delicious cookies with just 3 ingredients. So let's get started. Start by sieving your all-purpose flour. I'm using 3 cups of flour for this recipe. After sieving the flour set aside, then add 230 grams of butter to a mixing bowl. Next, I go in with 1 cup of icing sugar. Mix the icing sugar and the butter together for them to be well combined. Mix the icing sugar and the butter together until the consistency looks like a very smooth paste. Once I've achieved this consistency, then I added to it a few drops of vanilla essence. Then mix together once again for everything to be well combined. And now that our mixture looks very smooth and perfect, we begin to add the flour to it gradually. So I added some of the sea flour to it, then mix together with the spatula. And after mixing for some time, I added more flour to it and mix together once again. So I'll be adding the flour to it bit by bit and mix together until I get that perfect cookies dough. To achieve that perfect mixture, I switch from spatula to my hands and mix until it forms a dough. I will be listing out the exact measurement of ingredients used for this recipe in the description area. Once properly combined and you have achieved this consistency, cover and allow to rest for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I'll bring back the dough. And now I will spread parchment paper on a flat surface. Add part of the dough to the parchment paper. Cover the dough with another parchment paper. Then flatten with a rolling pin. When rolling out your dough for cookies, do not allow it to be too flat. Otherwise, it might get burnt easily at the process of baking. Allow the thickness of the dough to be at least 5 millimeters. Once I've achieved the thickness that I want, go ahead and cut out with these beautiful cookies cutters. These cookie cutters do not just make the work easy, but also makes the cookies to come out very beautiful. As you can see, I've also lined up my baking tray with parchment paper. And now let's begin to cut out our cookies with the cookies cutter. So I'll be pressing the cookies cutter to the dough gently. Then gently remove the dough from the cookies cutter into the baking tray. In doing this, you have to handle it very gently so that the dough doesn't get scattered. Repeat the same process for the remaining dough. And this is our well cut out dough, ready to be baked. Preheat your oven and bake between 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is our cookies ready. And here we have our delicious cookies ready. This is easy, fast, beautiful, and tastes very great. You can pair this with tea or any drink of your choice. And now you know you can always make your delicious cookies at home with just few ingredients in the shortest possible time. And if you find this video very helpful, kindly like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more easy recipes from Udu's Kitchen. Thanks so much for spending your precious time with me. See you in the next one.